All right, how's everybody doing? If you hear a Western in the background, I got the old classic Clint Eastwood. I think it's A Fistful of Dollars, 1964, I believe. So anyway, I got my fans on. It's hot. It's a beautiful day. I received my, well, first of all, everybody knows that these wheels are garbage, right? And I emailed the company, VIVOHOME, and they were very nice. They took care of me. They gave me a credit off. What they did was they just took it off the price I paid and with tax. So they took the credit and the credit with the tax and credited my credit card. So I went ahead and ordered some replacement wheels. Okay, and here they are. Now there's a bunch of them. This is the JC. See if I can get closer. There's the SKU. It's the JGJC swivel caster with brake, furniture caster, set of 4. I know that's probably not going to be good enough as far as, but there's a number up here. I'll tell you what. If you want the link, let me know. But here they are. And when I was shopping for these, I was trying to find. These wheels were rated at 1,100 pounds. I don't need 1,100 pounds. Priscilla only weighs about 5, I think 5 1/4. So, these new wheels, I was looking for a lower profile wheel, right? Something that wasn't gonna sit as high, because this sits about 3 inches. 3 inches off the ground. I don't know if you can see that. Let me move stuff out of the way. Sorry, I'm all discombobulated. There we go. About 3 inches off the ground as it sits right now, right? And then you add the lift on top of that. It's very high. And look, there's let's see, that's 1 3/4 inches of dead space, right? Dead space right here. Nothing but dead space there. So, the meaning behind all that is when I was looking for wheels, I wanted something that would take the weight and lower the profile. These are rated at 600. Oh, and I wanted the footprint almost the same, and I'm hoping, oh, these are just slightly different. I was hoping that I would do it without any drilling, but that's not the way it's going to turn out. So anyway, these are rated at 600, and their profile is a lot less. Look, see this compared to this? See that? I'm going to gain maybe 1/2 inch, and I'll take it. And these are locking. These have locking wheels. And hold on, I got a bee bothering me. Don't sting me, bee. Wait, I'll come back. Hold on. Okay, I didn't get stung, so all is good. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, so I was looking for several things. I was looking at the weight. I was looking at the height of these things. I was looking at this footprint here. And the cost was another. The brake I didn't care about, but this came with brakes, so that's fine. And all 4 wheels have brakes, I think. Yeah, all 4 have brakes. All right, so, and the wheels, they're different. These, I don't know what it's a hard rubber compared to these are metal. So these are hard rubber, and they're nicer. I mean, look at they swivel nicer. There's no play in this. There's a little bit of play. You have to have a little bit of play for the ball bearings. You don't, so I understand that. But these appear to be pretty decent so far, right? Now, I haven't put them into use yet, but I'm going to let me undo one and see how much of a bear it's going to be to put on the new set. So hold on. All right, I got one wheel off, and I want to show you the footprint. Here's the footprint of the existing wheel. Here's the footprint of the new wheel. Let's see if I can make these work. It's just a little bit off. Just a little bit off. So, hold on, let's see what we can do. All right, not sure what you can see. Let me move it out a little bit. All right, so I've got 2 holes that line up, right? Here would be one of them. And there's another one over here. 2 of the 4 that'll line up, and the other 2 will not. So what I'm thinking about doing is turning it this way, right? Putting it that way, and drilling 4 holes. Let's see, wait a minute now. It's not going to completely swivel like the rest of them. Oh yeah, see? Alright, so that could be an issue. I just noticed that too. With the locks. See, the lock, the benefit of having the lock is obviously you can lock the wheel, but it also takes up space. So I won't be able to swivel these. These will not swivel all the way around. Didn't anticipate that. Alright, more to think about. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to be an issue or not. Not having it swivel. As you can see, you know, the old wheels, the crappy wheels, just, you know, they designed it just so they would swivel, right? And I know that's going to be a factor because, you know, if I say I have the bike, well, I'm going to have the bike on here, on the dolly, on the lift, not lifted up, but all the way down, just so I can maybe move it around for the winter time, or the, you know, the months where I'm not riding. I don't know. I'm thinking about because they offer these without the brake too. I'm pretty sure. The reason I got the brake was because, well, because it had a brake. I'm thinking, well, yeah, that could come in handy, having a brake. And they are nice compared, you know, they are, you know, for 600 pounds, that's what these are rated at, compared to the 1,100 pounds. I mean, you know, you could tell just by the looks of it that these should handle more weight than these. But I thought the 600 pounds would be fine. And I was also looking to lower this dolly down. And that's a good, let's see, what is that? That's a good, it's about an inch. No, sorry, take that back. It's about a little over half an inch. Yeah, maybe right around half an inch, give or take. So that's not bad. All right. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I know if I put these on, and because look, I'm gonna be, if I put them on, right, I'm only gonna be able to go here to there, and they won't be able to swivel. And I just have a feeling that now they would be able to swivel with the brake on. Well, maybe not. Maybe, see, that adds a lot. This little bracket for the brake adds a lot of extra length to this whole thing right here. All right, I tell you what, I'm going to go do a little research. I hate to send these back. I just got them, but I think they might be going back. I was hoping to get this all done, you know, so I can move on to the next thing. Yeah, see, it's only going to let me go there. Come around here. Now I thought about if I, yeah, see, that brake bracket is in the way. So I think if you replace your wheels, keep that in mind. That brake bracket's going to get, you won't be able to swivel. And I think that's what I need, is some swivel. Yeah, I think that's more important than having a brake, is having the ability to swivel. So I think I just answered my own question. All right. Sorry, this is was so long, and I didn't really get a whole lot done, but maybe it'll help somebody else out. Okay. Stay tuned. More to come.